Welcome to the Fix It Bunny channel, where we're here to help everyday people. And I had a zipper come off in the dryer after trying this coat here, and wasn't sure what to do because it won't go on the end. Obviously, there's this big chunk of metal, and it also wouldn't go on the top because there was a thing on the top that was just holding it to where it didn't go in. But then I figured out how to get it back on. I'm going to show you how to do that.
So if this helps you, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any important fixes that come up in case you need them in the future.
So in order to get the zipper back on, I noticed that you couldn't put it on just straight away, like pushing downward, but you actually have to slide it down this little slot right there. Do you see the slot? So you put it in as an angle, and then push it. Just keep pushing it, and then it goes right on in. Then you're able to slide it all the way down. Now it zips together. And now put it back together and zip it back up. So hopefully that helps someone. Yeah, that was just a nice little thing that I found out before throwing the zipper away.
All right, I hope that helps you out. If you fixed it, leave a comment and let me know. And if you want more repair tutorials like this, hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every week showing you how to fix common problems and save money. Thanks for watching.